Number one, go to LC1 of your village where your parents were born. If they are dead, that place where they were born and died from, go to LC1 and get a letter. The LC1 chairman or whoever it is must be the one who knows about your parents. If your parents were born in a particular village and they were buried there in the case of those who died, get that letter from the LC1. Move with that letter to LC2 for LC2 endorsement. LC2 also from, I think, a parish that has got to know, that knows that so and so was born in this village, so and so died in this village, in the case of those who died, so and so was raised in this village, we know about them. Get the LC endorsement. And then go to LC3. Get the endorsement of LC3, but most importantly, get the endorsement of Gombolola Internal Security Officer, GISO. Let the GISO officer endorse, and on it, this is very important, put NIN. This is very important. Why? Why should the GISO officer put NIN? This is to frustrate those people who have been forging these letters from Lufla. We have been asking for these letters. Some people just throw up to Lufla and pay 10,000 shillings, and within 2 minutes they are back in office with these letters and stamps. So we want the NIN. Why the NIN? Because we have a system that is linked to NIRA. That system will be able to verify. If we know so and so is the GISO of Kichwamba, we shall be able to call that GISO and he will give us more information in case we are having any doubts. So it is important that you have this letter endorsed by GISO.